Hi there. Just a quick recap. I ended up trading today and it didn't go according to plan. I should have stuck to my thinking earlier, as I was saying. In a weak market, just step away, don't increase your losses, but I couldn't help myself. As Fed Powell stopped speaking in the morning after 10 o'clock. There was a big bounce in the stock market. I mean, big. It was decent. What time was it? Actually, it wasn't at 10. Okay, hold on, 9:36. So it started bouncing actually, yeah, quite soon after it opened. There was kind of sell-off at the open, and then there was a bounce. Hold on, I'm looking at AMC. I shouldn't be looking at AMC. Should be looking here. So that's the one I'm kind of thinking of. Yeah, after 10. So a few stocks, momentum stocks, started bouncing, and this one, CTIB, kind of broke uh, the what is it? The pre-market level, right? And it went higher. I traded it a little bit, and at the end, I won some, I lost some. It wasn't easy to trade really. I gave away a lot on the flashes. So over here, so I got small gains, but then 44 loss. That's quite good. 26. Some losses again, then another 43. So whenever I made some money, I gave it away. And oh, that was already a signal to step away. But I couldn't. Was just I wanted to make some money because uh, I've been losing in the last couple of days, and you see what happens. Um, we want to kind of make up those losses, even though the market is not favorable, and we end up kind of losing more. So I eventually had when I finished trading CTIB, I was like $30 up. So at least I wasn't in the red, right? When I finished that, so you see, I traded more than I should have, and there was nothing much to gain on it. So pointless, really, waste of time. Just couldn't help myself, right? Especially after this move to green. Um, it was just, yeah. So something to keep in mind. Right. And then AMC started moving. Let's go to AMC. AMC, I drew this kind of ascending resistance level here um, from the earlier, and look what happened. It did break it, and it was really on a high volume. So I traded that. Let me just switch to trading, show executions. So I made some over here. I think I was like $100 up, and then um, the volume was increasing, right? It dropped from this candle, but it was still increasing, and then I had 200 shares, boom, and just went down. I've had it over here, and then I closed about here, I guess. I was in with the 600 shares. And I closed it here. I should have just closed it. When it went against me, I just closed it, man. It's not worth it. The market is weak. I mean, averaging down again, bad idea. Um, I don't know. It looks like it's the fourth day for me at the moment that it's negative. So fourth day I'm in the red. It's still not bad, considering, right, what's been happening in the last few weeks. Keeping the losses relatively small. If I compare it with the last week, if I add up the profits and losses after commissions from the last week and this week, I'm still $800 up, right? So even having those 4 negative days, keeping them relatively small, it's not end of the world. It's not end of the world. This will happen in a slow market. This will happen. So you can see my chart is updated now with those losses. So there's small drawdown. I mean, it's nothing major. It's nothing like this. in the past. So I'm keeping them under control. I know that I shouldn't be trading, but I still can't help myself. I'm just testing a little bit, and I'm not trying to do anything crazy. Just little by little. I was in a profit today, but then gave it away because I overtraded on that AMC. Um, so, all right, I don't know if, yeah, you can see it. Okay, you can see it, all right. Good. So yeah, just a bit disappointed, but as long as it doesn't kill me, I can wait, and this is okay. I'm still happy, but I think I'll have to walk away eventually and wait for the real move in the market, because carrying on like this, it's not pleasant, and it's only demo. So yeah, I just have to learn from that, and it's good, I guess. That's a big lesson here. After being so green for so long, right? Um, since I mean, so I'm counting here from the 1st of January, right? So from the 1st of Jan, the market was really favorable. So surviving through these periods of slowdown and correction in the market. It might go for weeks, so I can't be trading every day like this because I will give too much away of my profits, even if they are demo profits. I just want to learn the right strategy here. Uh, During those pullbacks in the market, it's best to just sit tight. And I keep repeating this, but I still can't help myself. And this is what uh, traders do, right? I mean, the losing traders, I guess, they just can't help themselves and they find themselves losing money. At least I'm not holding them my trades for too long, closing those losers quite quickly. But yeah, in my mind, doesn't feel nice at the moment. It just feels like I'm failing and the strategy doesn't work. But yeah, just be patient. I'm gonna try to be patient and not doing anything too silly. Um, it's just watching these trades, and sometimes there's a breakout, and now you see this AMC is popping up back up, uh, and as a trader, as a kind of instinct now a little bit, let's say, you're seeing the move up, you just want to get involved. So that's natural, I guess. But yeah, it's not always the right thing to do. So yeah, just a quick recap of my another losing day, but I hope it will change in the coming days. I don't know if I'm going to close green this week, but um, I would have to make up. It's not bad, right? If there was one positive day, it's only $172 after commissions. So if I could make that, comparing it with the previous days, I could make that in a day, like, right? If the market is going the right way, of course. But then I think a lot of traders have been spoiled, and I'm listening to some podcasts. Chatter traders are really recommended. Uh, and you can hear from traders that they are very they they think that the market will be like that, and they say if they lose, they don't care because yeah, another next day they can make it up. But are we going to be able to, right? You don't know what's going to be. I mean, we are spoiled brats at this point because the market has been crushing it to the upside. But if we get a spell of weeks or months, I don't know how long it might take, right? If there's the big, I don't know, everyone is getting into the markets on margin as well. They take loans or whatever to buy stocks. You eventually you will go to the limit of how much you can go on margin, right? And who will be left to buy? I mean, at this point, everyone will be selling. So it'll be interesting. I know my account will be open quite soon, and if it's not going to be the market's not going to be moving up anymore, so I'll just be sitting. I'll definitely have to be just sitting tight and waiting for better times if this is the end. But I guess it won't be. So just a little bit of talk over here, a bit of a rant, because yeah, I'm preparing for the to start trading soon, and then the market does does these pullbacks. So I don't know. I'm unsure what's going to happen. But yeah, I already signed up for it, so I'm going to try regardless. I will have the account open, and I don't have to use it, right? I might pay the commissions for having the system. The money will be sitting and waiting for the times when it's easier to trade. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, enough of me talking. And yeah, just a short recap of my losing day. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow for live demo trading. Bye.